Good morning, everybody. Grateful for another beautiful day. It's been a long time. A lot has been happening. I am no longer doing the monetary challenge. I am going to be doing a consistency challenge. As you can see, I have one funded account with TSX, Top Step X, and that is the only account that I will be trading during this consistency challenge, right? So let's just see what's going on with the markets right now. The markets completely came down and rebalanced this 4-hour fair value gap right here. If Top Step will, okay, there we go. 4-hour fair value gap right here. And it displaced upwards, which means that we are going to be headed up. Right now, I am very bullish on the market, so I will be looking for longs. I am trading the Casper's FCR strategy. So I will explain that later on in the video when I do make that entry. But it's basically the first 5-minute candle. Okay, so we're going to watch how this kind of pans out and I'll let you know. Let's see what happens. I totally forgot that I was not recording. I thought I was recording and I was basically talking to myself. And what ended up happening is that I entered this trade right here. I got trailed out around here. I was aggressively moving my stops up because price basically hit all-time highs. I'm okay with the 1-hour trade. Right now, I'm up 237.52 on this one funded account. As y'all can see, I took one trade today. This is the entry right here. So let's recap real quick. So I'm trading the first candle rule that was created by Casper. Basically, the first candle rule is waiting for the first 5-minute candle to close and drawing a line on the high and the low of that candle. My bias in the beginning of the day was bullish, right? Because price came down and rebalanced all of this, right? Even if you look at the 1-hour candle, this huge wick is telling me that all of these short sellers were trapped. And a lot of the bullish buyers came and bought the price up, and now it's displacing upwards. So I was bullish on the day. So this move down, yes, it created a short entry, and I probably would have taken that previously down to London low, but look how price kind of front ran that and completely displaced upwards. Now, the reason why I didn't take this short is because ES took London low while MNQ did not. So it created a bullish divergence. And when I noticed that, I immediately thought that my bias was correct, that we should be looking for long. So when price displaced upward and completely engulfed these bearish candles and filled the bearish fair value gaps, creating inversions, I entered here, right here. Risked about $236 on 2 micro contracts. And I just kind of price weighted. I moved my stops up as price continued to displace. And eventually I got stopped out right here. In hindsight, yes, I could have held on to the trade if I didn't move my stops up and continue to make more money. But right now, I'm in this area where I want consistency. So I'm going to be consistently trying to take 1 or 2 trades a day, depending on how price is moving, and consistently get payouts on one account, right? And then I'm going to add on more accounts later in the future once I become profitable. So that's what the trade was for today. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching my trade and my journey to consistency. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all are struggling with consistency. So let's go on this journey together. Like and subscribe, and I will catch y'all tomorrow.